If you're interested in day trading, then you are in the right place. I'm Josh from evatrades.com, and I'm on the road to make $1 million. In this video, I'll be trading my strategy so that you can benefit as well. So let's go down to Studio One and take a look at my progress, and then we'll break down the stocks that are moving today so that we'll be ready to go when the bell rings. Let's do it. And day trading is risky, so use your stop losses and trade according to your strategy. That's what I do here at evatrades.com, or the YouTube channel. This is evatrades.com. This is the website. Here's the plan. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm in phase one right now, trying to make $20 a day. My risk is $10 per trade. And once I get to $500, then I can increase my risk to $25 per trade. My daily goal would be $50 a day. And then after I get to $1,000, then I will go to phase three, where my risk is $50 per trade. So my daily goal is 100, and it just keeps doubling and doubling and doubling as I continue finish each phase. I think that's a pretty good plan. I haven't seen anything wrong with it yet. We'll see what happens here as time goes on. Here's a look at my progress so far. So I'm in this about 30 days or so right now, and having a red day on Friday, it was a rough one for me, and hoping for a better day today. So already I'm up green on the day. Yeah, so I'm up over 400. I was up over 400 in the account. I'm actually right at that if you include my profits from this morning. I'll show you where I traded. And good morning. Happy Monday morning. Let's see. So the market's up today. This is where I traded this stock this morning. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Right here. Yeah, as we were breaking out over this level right here, we had this tightening range and a bull break, and then we pulled back right here, and I bought that dip and then sold up into this push. So nice little trade. And then I bought again right up in here, and I gave back most of that profit. And then it made it move back up, and I got back out and just walked away at that point and be like, I'm up $7. I'm going to take that money and start the day green. I think there's something psychological there. If you start the day green, that it for me anyways, it really helps me feel good about going into the trading day. Starting green, because I feel like I've got that cushion, so I could afford to make a mistake. So less pressure, I guess. Just so happens to work out for me. So anyways, we have less than 5 minutes till the market opens. GNS is not the leading gapper this morning. Actually, the leading gapper is BBIO, but GNS was the one I traded. It was on the high of day momentum scanner early on. It's actually towards the bottom of the gap scan, but I like it the best, to be honest with you. So we're consolidating pretty nicely here. The hourly time frame, there's our hourly resistance. The high of day yesterday, $4.30. Made a really good move on Friday. I didn't trade GNS on Friday, but whoever did probably did pretty good on it by the looks of it. Yeah, so we have a 15-minute resistance up here at 407. And your 15-minute, looking for a higher low not getting it yet. This is an inside bar. So we could check out the 5-minute time frame on this, and we could say, okay, here's our 5-minute higher low. So we're looking to hold that support of 384. It's a double bottom almost. So nice little bull flag that we have. Pennant, more like it, a bull pennant. You could draw your lines on it. Kind of, it's kind of, the lines don't draw too well, but it's there. And BBIO is the leading gapper this morning. And let's look at the larger time frames again. Hourly inside bar. We have a 15-minute trend happening here with a kind of a double bottom, but you know, we're moving up. So your resistance on that 15-minute is up at 18.96. I'd say our higher low is at $16. Now on the 5-minute time frame, we do have a 5-minute uptrend, but it looks like now we pulled back more than we want to here. So now I'm just looking for a lower high somewhere under 1880, and for the bears to continue to push this price down, most likely. To me, that is the most likely scenario, a lower high and a lower low on the 5-minute time frame. Whoops, and there goes my charts. And so basically what I'm looking for in that scenario is, if we get continuation for the bears, then we're looking for a continuation to the downside here and a 15-minute tightening range. So looking for a higher low somewhere above $16 and then a move back up, hopefully, for the bulls. So right now we're about mid-range on this hourly candle, so I could say it favors the bulls maybe a little bit more than it favors the bears, but not a lot. KALA, hourly consolidation, but we didn't get a lot of follow-through on this this move down here, but we'll see. It's a 15-minute. There's not a downtrend. It's not an uptrend or a downtrend on the 15-minute. We got a higher high and a lower low. Looking for a lower high on that 15-minute. That's the most likely scenario. Anything below 2470 is a lower high. So I'm gonna go back down to the smaller time frames. I like to trade the 5-minute time frame. And right now we have a cup and handle sort of pattern here forming with a cup and a handle. It's not perfect, but it's kind of there. All right, the market's going to open. So good luck, everybody. Trade smart, trade well. Let's go get them. I'm going to watch these 1-minute candles here. Watch the candle ranges and set up my stop loss parameters accordingly. That candle range on GNS is 15 cents, 17 cents now. Whoa, 70 cents on Kala, K-A-L-A. I'm going to buy BBIO. I tried to get it on the VWAP there. I guess I should have used a limit order, because now I don't like where my stop loss is sitting. So if I get green on this, I think I'll take the profit quick. SPY is dropping. It doesn't look like BBIO is going to give me that green move that I wanted. So there's my stop out. Okay, so that puts me down $3. $3.31. And so now I wait and see what we get. So SPY pulling back, consolidating, expecting that. Now we do have a double bottom. So again, to get a perspective here, let's look at the larger time frames. I have a pivot down here at 359. Here's that double bottom I was talking about on Kayla. SPY is trying to bounce at the moment. I put a limit order in here on KALA. But it's not getting filled. A lot of sellers there at 388 on GNS. Yeah, I'm in a trade over here on SI. Oh, that's too bad. So stopped out on that one. I'm gonna buy it off of the VWAP. That could be tricky. See, I bought it off the VWAP there, but it's coming down further now. Oh, dang. That's rough. All right, so I'm gonna focus my attention on GNS now. We have a 5-minute resistance up at 397. GNS, if we can break through 397, there we go. I'm selling it there. So that wasn't too bad. Buying the back test of 4. I'm flattening that position. It pulled back more than I wanted, so Azul, AZUL, up on the scanner there. Let's see here. I put a limit order in and see if it comes down to the VWAP. That would be a great place to get filled. But if it wants to go higher and I'm not in the trade, then that's fine. Strong with the force this one is. Looking for the break of the pre-market. And I'm going to go ahead and take the profit there. Taking that profit on that one for sure. So I was down $23 at one point, and I'm up $6 now on the day. So I'm back close to where I was pre-market. Oh man, that one's really taken off. That is insane. You see, if I knew it was going to do that, I would have held it, right? I mean, who wouldn't? Nobody knew that was going to happen. And it keeps on going. Goodbye for the breakthrough 1950. See, it could flush down just as hard as it's moving up. Buying GNS off of that support right there. Doesn't appear to be holding, so I'm going to get back out. There's a stock ticker UNCY just got halted. Yeah, I don't like that one so much there. I tried the breakout on Kayla. It didn't really work too well for me. Let's see if we get a pullback to the high of day on BBIO here. previous high of day, I should say. Kayla's not doing anything, so I'm getting back out of it. Okay. Really feel like I should be adding to GNS. I'm getting back in it. There we go. That was nice. Cool. Oh. Not so cool. Well, there's a breakthrough 6 on AZUL. Made a couple bucks on it there. Oh man, look at KALA. I was going to take this trade as it was down here, but I ended up not doing it. So what I'm looking for... Well, I was looking for a move back to 6 on AZUL, but it didn't do it. But yeah, what I'm looking for is that higher low on BBIO, and I was hoping to catch a move off of the 1810 and the VWAP, but you know, if this is where it bounces from, then I've missed it. There we go. Nice move on AZUL. UNCY. Let's type that in real quick. UNCY. It's a cheaper stock. It got halted here, but I don't know. Being that it's a cheaper stock, I'm not too sure I want to do anything with it. It's got plenty of volume, though. That's a good thing. $1.50 right now. Well, I could take a stab at it. I didn't get filled a very good spot. I was trying to get in down here. Got filled at 58. See if we break through 60. It'd be great if it went up and got halted again. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell it there just because of where I got in. In over here now, buying off of that VWAP. Let's see if this holds up. Hey, our talks. I'm not sure how you say that name. Your talks. I apologize if I can't pronounce that. But good morning. So now I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of this previous candle. I'm risking $2.25. Fake. Yeah, it's fake. It's so fake. It's not fake. And I'm also going to try GNS here. See if it'll bounce as well. I don't like BBIO. Maybe I should have liked it. You know? Let's go ahead and get back in it. I'm going to hold that for the bounce. I'm going to say that it might just do it. I'm looking for my daily goal. That's all I want to hit. My daily goal. So give me that bounce, BBIO. Come on. That was that first 1 minute candle to make a new high, but it didn't hold up. I'm thinking about bailing on it. I'll hold on for just a bit longer. Bear flag on KALA. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get out of that. All right, well that's too bad. I didn't get the bounce I wanted. I needed another. Oh, what do we have here? I thought if that goes and breaks over this right here, I might jump in it. Because that's a bear break, bull break. I'll buy that dip. Let's see what we get here. GNS. No, this just isn't playing nice, is it? BBIO, so we're looking up at a high of 445. think I'm just going to go ahead and take the profit on that. I'm in over here for that break of 650. Now that we've broken through 650, we go ahead and sell that. I'll buy the dip. And hope I don't get stuffed out. I might. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to. Well, that's not cool. So I'm in over here for the break. There it's breaking through. Let's see if GNS can give me a move here. There we go. Oh, that's it. That's it, folks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I just hit my daily goal. That's a thing of beauty. That's what I wanted. 20 bucks. I'm up $20. I think you can see that on your screen. But anyways, I can pull this open. We can see it, $20.15. That was a great trade. That got me there. That's all I wanted today. It was my daily goal. Boom. Look at that candle. So it's an inside bar, you know. Today's date is 3/6. So it's nice to have a green Monday. I was worried about having another red day. So there we go. So my low of day was, well, I'll fill this out later. Okay, well, that's it. Well, I mean, I could do it now just so we can see what it looks like. My low of, so I opened at 393. My low of day was, I was down 23 bucks at one point. So that would have been 370 for my low. 70, and I'm going to finish at my highs. So you can see that now we have a lower wick that shows how low I went on the day. A little higher low there, and now let's see if tomorrow I can make another 20 bucks and make this look like that. That would be awesome, right? A little higher low and higher high on my 1 minute, my 1 day candle time frame. So that'd be pretty cool. All right, so back up over $400. That is going to be it for me. Let's take a look at the charts and see if there are any other trades that I could have taken. And honestly, I should have held this for that break through the high. Didn't know that was going to happen, but boy, if I had held it, that would have been even a bigger movement. And look at this here. It looks like it's going to see continuation after back testing the previous resistance and now support. And there it goes. Boy, I'm so tempted to want to trade that. Oh, man. See, if I do and I take a loss, I mean, I could. That's why I'm here, right? Take risk. If I click join the bid, and then I'll let it go a little bit. If it wants to go a little bit. Got a new 1 minute candle coming up. And I'll sell it right there. So, you know, I made a couple extra dollars. Okay, I'll put that in there. 22, I'm up 22.44. And that really is going to do it because I'm afraid I'm going to give back my profits, and I don't want to do that. Not today. I want to finish with a nice, strong green day. That's my goal. So, all right, that's going to do it for me. Look out for the trade review. I'll definitely do a review of this one, and we'll see you next time tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. I hope to be right back here trading again. So